The four major functions of office management. The office management process is about planning, optimising and guiding a group of individuals in order to achieve the business objectives. The first area, planning. This is about helping each individual to understand what they need to focus on, how they need to go about doing it, and when they need to be operating on these tasks. The second area is about ensuring that you have the right staff. And by the right staff, it's ensuring that those staff have the skills and knowledge to do the tasks that are required of them. So an office manager will often be responsible for recruiting and bringing people into the business, as well as training them once they arrive. The third area is around directing, and this is about guiding and supervising and ensuring that people feel motivated and engaged in the work that they're involved in. And then the final area is all about training. So training isn't simply for new starters, but it is also for existing staff members to ensure that they're performing at the level that is required. Training programmes on office management are available at londontfe.com.